and now open up your app.css. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to make sure that app.css is covering the entire screen. So we need to fix the width and height for it. Width is 100% and height is 100 VH. Okay, and the position is a relative position. Okay, after that we need to make sure the overflow is completely hidden. Okay, and then display flex. So I am keeping the display flexes because here we are having three different divisions. So when you're creating it, initially it will take as an column wise. So we need to bring up all these three divisions in a single row. That's why we are using the display flex. Okay, now what we have to do, we need to load this background image. So I'm having a nice image for it, where it is image folder. So this is that background image. We are going to load this image at the background and we are going to have some filter effect for it. So where it is app.css, copy this one and dot background. So this is going to be the position absolute. So it will take the absolute position for its parent element, which has the relative tag. By default your body tag is relative, so make sure that you add this position relative, so it should always refer to this app. Then it should be in the top 0 and left 0, so that it exactly start from this top left corner. Then I'm not going to for what is the width and height. I'm just going to make sure right 0 and bottom 0. So this will always in the top, right and bottom and all the three corner, it will stretch according to that. Then I'm going to load a background image. I'm going to load the image through using background by using this URL. So our file which is inside, like we can say /images/backgrounds.jpg, that's our file. It will load our image and see it's loaded our image, but our image is not perfectly in the center and it's not using the complete image. So that what we are going to do is, I don't want to repeat our image, so no repeat, and it should be in the center of the screen. Okay, now our image is in the center of the screen, but still I can't see our image. So what we need to do is background size, make it as a cover, so that will cover the image completely for your screen width. Okay, then if you have a look at it, see here our background image, it doesn't look colorful, it's having a grayscale filter. So what we need to do, filter grayscale and make it 100. Now you can see our image is just like a black and white image, and then we need to send it one layer behind. So whatever the layer which is above it, we can see it clearly, otherwise everything will become a black and white. So let's send it one layer back, -1. Okay, so now our background is done. Next what we need to do is we need to work with our left menu.